All right, so the coin we're covering today is Elrond or the EGLD token. And, outside of the Mina protocol, Elrond is really our only layer one, really super undervalued pick left. All of our other layer one bags have pretty much swelled above the $10 billion arbitrary watermark that we have. Elrond today, for all it has going for it, is still below $5 billion as we record this. Currently, it's sitting around 4.7 billion in market cap with a price of $243.44. And for those of you who are new to Elrond, it is a very promising layer one blockchain platform designed for distributed apps and enterprise level businesses. And it has been on quite the tear lately in terms of just overall ecosystem growth, new exchange listings, and price appreciation. Just 4 days ago, Elrond hit its all-time high of $302, but since that time has pulled back 20%, putting it kind of in a decent level to buy in. If you are interested in Elrond, obviously none of this is financial advice, not a financial advisor. Do your own homework, but I think at this level it could be very interesting, especially with everything going for it right now. And there's definitely a few key reasons to be very bullish on Elrond. They have just launched their Myar exchange, which is a new DeFi protocol built on Elrond's network that will allow users to trade and provide liquidity in various pools. And we've certainly seen how major DeFi traction and growth has bolstered the likes of Algorand and Solana and Terra and Avalanche's all of their growth lately. And I suspect once we start seeing future VC investments around providing liquidity programs and pools for Elrond's network, that will cause a similar surge in price to those that we're seeing with those other protocols. Also, Elrond recently announced on September 9th that US residents can now purchase eGold tokens directly through the MyR app thanks to their integration with MoonPay, which is just hugely bullish, opening up the whole US market. But Elrond, they also got a big boost last week with the announcement that KuCoin would be listing the eGold token. And from that listing and the Myar going live, the 24-hour trading volumes have just completely spiked. They've come back down a little bit since then, but on September 11th, they went from 83 million to $740 million in 24-hour trading volume, which is just massive. And in general, just there's just been a whole bunch of ecosystem growth and partnerships and developer adoption and uptick lately. And combined with just interest, I think that's probably why KuCoin listed Eagle, and I'm predicting Coinbase will as well sometime in next quarter. There's just too much developer activity and adoption, and Coinbase's existing user base. I'm sure is probably inundating them with eGold and other tokens, and Coinbase is just listing just about everything under the sun lately. So I'm sure Elrond is just around the corner. And they've made a lot of recent partnerships that are very bullish too. From Human, the AI-powered media content platform project, also Copper for digital custody. They partner with News Crypto. They partnered with quite a few gaming protocols and or projects and NFT projects, also cross-chain transfer projects, and the list really goes on. I think Elrond is very much in the early stage, or kind of similar to like where we saw Solana and Avalanche maybe like 6 to 7 months ago, where they're starting to really get that DeFi adoption and that investor interest. And when you look at the developer activity, Elrond is just continuing to surge in terms of just that overall developer interest and activity on their project and on their protocol. But yeah, very very bullish on Elrond and where it's sitting today. And for that future, potential news that they're going to get added to Coinbase, I think you can certainly see, just like we see with everything, you see, that the day of the announcement, it just, surges up 40-50%. And then, just the investor kind of adoption and awareness and liquidity from then on is very, very bullish for these projects. But yeah, that's kind of our new kind of undervalued layer one pick that we have. Let me know if you guys are holding Elrond and eGold, your price predictions. I think our price prediction, we can certainly see this thing 2 to 3xing. I think our loose prediction now is about a 2.5x from now until the end of the year. I think you can certainly see this in that kind of $10 to $12 billion level. similar to where we see Algorand and a few of the other ones in Terra and in that kind of, top 20-ish level. But yeah, that's kind of our loose price prediction. Let me know where you guys think it's going. If you're holding Elrond, let us know where you're holding Elrond, where you're purchasing that from. Because right now, I think it's only listed on Binance US, KuCoin, maybe Gate.io, and a couple others. But I think as you see more and more of those top 5 exchange listings, you're going to certainly see some price appreciation here. But yeah, let us know your price predictions, and yeah, if you're watching on YouTube, give us a like and subscribe if you could, and leave a comment down below. That always certainly helps the channel grow here. And yeah, and if you're listening on iTunes or Spotify, give us a review if you could. That'd be fantastic. And yeah, if you guys want to check out BlockFi, use that link down below to get up to, I think it's $250 worth of free Bitcoin when you use that link below, and deposit a certain amount of money. I can't check those details, but yeah, we love BlockFi. Their APYs now on USDC are 8%, 4.5% on Bitcoin, and 5% on Ethereum. They also have Uniswap, Basic Attention Token, Chainlink, and Litecoin, and a few others. But yeah, check out BlockFi. Use that link to get $250 worth of free Bitcoin. I will stop blabbering at this point and be back tomorrow with another coin analysis for you. All right, everyone, enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Bye bye.